Today we're going to be solving this interesting exponential equation. So we have 3 to the x plus 9 to the x plus 27 to the x equals 14, and we're supposed to solve for x values. To do that, first of all, notice that 9 is 3 squared and 27 is 3 cubed. So that means that I can replace the left-hand side of our expression with 3 to the x plus 3 squared to the x plus 3 cubed to the x. And then, by using the rules of exponents, I can say that we have 3 to the x plus 3 to the x squared plus 3 to the x cubed. And the sum is 14. But notice that 3 to the x is the expression that is repeating, so I can go ahead and use substitution method and replace this 3 to the x with t. So in that case, this is going to be t squared, and this one is going to be t cubed. And we will have t cubed plus t squared plus t equals 14. And now we're supposed to solve for t. And obviously, after solving for t, we're going to back substitute to solve for x. Now, how can we solve this? Notice that 14 is equal to 8 plus 4 plus 2, right? And notice that 8 is 2 cubed, 4 is 2 squared, and 2 is 2 to the power of 1. So that's cool. Let's go ahead and move everything on the same side and try to factor this. So we have t cubed plus t squared plus t minus 2 cubed minus 2 squared minus 2. And the whole thing is equal to 0. Next, let's go ahead and put this next to this one. Put this one next to this one. And put this one next to this one. So we're going to have t cubed minus 2 cubed plus t squared minus 2 squared plus t minus 2 equals 0. Now, if you look at the left-hand side, it is obvious that we have a difference of 2 cubes and a difference of 2 squares. So I can go ahead and factor out this into t minus 2 times t squared plus 2t plus 4. And then I can factor out these two into t minus 2 times t plus 2. And we have t minus 2 over here. And then if you look at this, it is obvious that t minus 2 is our common factor, so we can pull it out. And we're going to have t squared plus 3t plus 5 equals 0. So we have a product, and the product is equal to 0. So we can go ahead and use the zero product property and say that either t minus 2 equals 0 or t squared plus 3t plus 5 equals 0. Obviously, from the first one, we're going to get t equals 2. But from the second one, by using the quadratic formula, we're going to get something interesting. We're going to get t equals negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 20, all divided by 2. Now, if you look at this, it is obvious that this is not real. So the only real solution for t is 2, and that's what we want. We actually want to solve for real solutions. But remember that t is 3 to the x, so if t is 2, that means that 3 to the x equals 2, and that means that x is log 2 with base 3. So the only solution of our equation is this one, x equals log 2 with base 3. And this brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this. If you did, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. and I'll see you later.